Hello, welcome to Gladys Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm talking about how to become agency on Boloup Livestream. So the first thing you have to do is to quit all agency that you have joined in other live stream app like Lollipop and Poppo Live. The next thing you have to do is to send your info to any agency of your choice on Boloup app. So just like the official announcement on the Telegram channel, make sure that on your Boloup app you have bind your withdrawal method. So I'm going to drop a link of a video on how to bind your bank account to your Boloup in order to be able to withdraw from Boloup, because that is one of the criteria of becoming an agency on Boloup app. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Do well to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.